Taking on me, you know that I'm not exactly the dessert queen in this house. In fact, Iggy, my daughter, is. She bakes some amazing desserts. So I've been craving something warm, comforting, and just a little bit indulgent, like strawberry and apple crumble. But let's get real. Classic crumble toppings can get a little bit soggy, right? Not today, this one's different. I'm taking on the challenge of creating a super crunchy crumble topping that stays perfectly crispy even after baking. It's going to be buttery, crisp and biscuity and absolutely irresistible. Sounds dreamy, right? Ready to give it a try?
For the fruit base, we'll need apples. I like Granny Smith. Strawberries are still in season here in England. I use demerara sugar and butter. For the crumble topping, we need flour, butter, oats. I use rolled oats, by the way. Again, demerara sugar and a pinch of salt. Butter a baking dish that's tall enough to allow for the fruit and topping without bubbling over. My dish is on the larger side, but an 8 by 8 inch dish will work great. The good thing about this recipe is that you don't actually have to use another dish to stew your fruit. Once you peel and core your apples and hull your strawberries, you should be able just to tip them into your buttered dish. Tip the fruit into the buttered dish. I sprinkle lots of demerara sugar and dot with butter. That will create that nice woozy sauce that everybody loves about a crumble. Preheat the oven to 190 degrees C. Bake for 25 to 30 minutes, giving the fruit a gentle mix halfway through. I will show you this later after we've made the crumble topping. So while the fruit is baking, let's make the crumble topping. In a medium to large bowl, I combine the flour and cold cube butter. And I use a knife to try and avoid that butter becoming really soft. Rub the butter into the flour until it resembles breadcrumbs. And then I add the sugar, salt and oats and give it another good mix. Tip the crumble onto a parchment-lined baking sheet and bake at 175 degrees C or 350 degrees Fahrenheit. For 10 minutes or so. It's a good idea to put the topping in the freezer for 10 or 15 minutes or so. It helps with the crunch factor and also prevents it from burning. Keep an eye on the oven. The topping can burn quite quickly. Then let the baked topping cool for 5 minutes. I use then a wooden spoon or even just your hands to crumble it slightly. Don't worry if you have larger pieces. They actually add to the crunch factor. Once that's done, add the crumble topping to the baked fruit. I bake for another 10 minutes or so until the crumble is golden brown and the fruit is bubbling.
I hope you agree the crispy crumble topping is a game changer. This strawberry and apple crumble has the perfect balance between sweet and tart. Serve it warm with a scoop of vanilla ice cream, such a classic, or just keep it healthy and fresh with just a dollop of Greek yogurt. Let me know in the comments which way you prefer it. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more delicious flexitarian recipes. Thanks for watching.